When you're driving in the UK, there's two main rules to remember. Rule number one, when you're on the major road, you have priority. When you're on the minor road, you've got to give way. How you tell if you're on a major road or a minor road is all to do with the road markings. If you have give way lines and or give way signs, you've got to give way. If you don't have the give way lines or signs, you're on the major road and you've got priority. Rule number two. Did you forget there was a number two? If you're going straight ahead or turning left, you've got priority. If you're turning right, you're cutting across the flow of traffic and you have to wait for a safe gap. Now, when turning right at a junction, be prepared that you might be here for a while. We need to have both sides of the road match up with a gap at the same time. We haven't got priority, we have the give way line.